What is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Whole bunch of cars leaving. We did pull up a little late. We were at the Peterson Museum show earlier, so let's just get right to it. Started off with a bang.
Yeah, so they kind of had a pretty shallow barrel.
S13 right there. Down. Nismo wheels. This thing is looking sick. Got the Toyos on there. White on white E92. I'm sure the crowd here was way crazier earlier. But I guess the good thing now is we're not gonna have too many people walking around, so I'll show you guys some of the builds. That's 2000. All the cars here are hella clean. Got the fade going on the hood. Who's acting up? E46 M3. Come around to the rear end, has a diffuser. Nicely done. Got the Mazda. Wide body FC. Running the tri-spoke wheels and the two-tone. Come inside and take a look at that interior. You gotta pull around the rear end. Big wing on here with the dual exits. Love it. Love the setup they have going on, EF and the CRX. It's so legendary being around these cars right now. Look at these builds. White suits these cars so well. Alright, let's keep it moving. We have a R32 GTR in silver, rocking the LMGT. Come on now. This thing is just picture perfect. Whole bunch of goodies in here. I'm trying to hear how this thing sounds. Come around to the side profile. Give you guys the full angle. One thing I absolutely love about 5-spoke wheels is how you can see the brakes so clearly. ISF rocking the rays. Wide body Supra. Look at the finish on the lips. With the black faces. This car is super wide. I didn't even notice the side skirt. And then we pan the camera over to the Supra. First thing we see is this ginormous turbo. The livery looks so good on this. Nice fitment on those wheels. And I don't think I've ever seen a wing like this on one before. I'm sure it's hard making Supras look different, but this one sure does the job. This is the car right here they did the reveal on. And towards the rear over here, they have an R35 GTR. Looks a little dusty. Seeing better days. Cars heading out. How does that thing sound good? Flip the camera around. Take a look at this. Subaru hatch. On the BBSs with the floating center caps. I don't know if y'all caught that. Z32, and we have a Type R. Nice sedan. The fade wrap. R35 GTR on the Volk T37s. Running a Greddy exhaust. Good two-car combo. And we got Datsun over there in the parking lot. Full GS 300 squad. Actually could be a 400 in here too. That's how he's feeling. Walk over here, we have two wide body Supras. Which one are you guys thinking? White or the sand black? They are. Both have the livery walk kick on. Pretty crazy, huh? Yeah, check this out. Slammed. SSR wheels. Z32. Line up across the street. Have a Supra, Eclipse, S1000s. Is he gonna do a pull? He might. S2000. I think we seen that last time at one of the meets around here. Damn, that 240 was rad. GT4 and the S2000. No way, we got the DD crew rolling in. Man, there's no way. We wanted to check out the 720 GTR yesterday, but I ended up falling asleep. There's no way, bro. No freaking way we're getting to see it right now. Evan in the AMG GTR. Giving spaceship vibes in the back. How crazy does that look?
Yeah, it went from Friday to smokes. That's really low though. That's the problem.
I didn't even notice how gnarly this rear diffuser is.
There's like no steel lines in the back.
Show you guys Skinny and Ryan's Huracans here. Kind of got a similar theme going on. And I still can't believe we ran into them. We were just about to leave too. These wheels just turned out perfect on this build. Life works in mysterious ways, because I was trying to see the 720 GTR so bad, and I was bummed out I missed out on it yesterday. But he pulled up here. It was all meant to be. Show some love to Evan's AMG GTR that he recently picked up. I think it's mint. Hopefully he turns around. I think he will.